Representation for the win. That's what we at UDL Partners believe. This next release will highlight a routine from the text, Routines for Reasoning, fostering the mathematical practice in all students. Let's call this barrier lack of understanding and interpreting mathematical structure. We can frame this barrier within providing multiple means of representation, specifically options for comprehension. Checkpoint 3.2. Highlight patterns, critical features, big ideas, and relationships. Let's tame this barrier by using the connecting representations and instructional routine. This routine allows students to focus on mathematical structure in equivalent representations by providing them with two sets of representations to interpret and match. Representations within this routine initially look nothing like each other, but represent the same relationship or value in the same way. This allows students to find and connect structure elements common in both representations. Let's dive into this new way of thinking. This routine brings important language to math. These words are chunk, change, and connect. You will see in this example problem, there are questions to be asked within each. This starts to allow students to analyze the structure of the problem. The teacher will outline the thinking goal, as you can see here. Next, the teacher will provide an overview of the routine so the students understand the process. Let's model an example of this routine. I will show you different representations. Can you identify those that are related? After some conversation around the ones that are connected, we will then move on to something like this. I want you to look at these 10 frames and draw one other representation that relates to this. Once students have done this, they can do a gallery walk. Have them share their responses. Ask questions to deepen their conversation. Last, have the students reflect on their thinking using sentence stems like these. You can review the routine with your students to make sure they see the connections to the work and thinking that has been completed. Let's take one more look at the routine in details. Part 1. Launch the routine. Display and explain the thinking goal. Display and explain the flow and format of the routine. Part 2. Interpret and connect representations. Give individual think time. Have students pair up. Have students share and discuss. And annotate their thought. Part 3. Create representation. Give individual think time and pair up students. Part 4. Discuss representations. Provide individual think time, have students pair up, have students share, discuss, and annotate their thoughts. And finally, Part 5. Reflect on structural thinking. Allow students to have individual write time. Pair them up and have them share out. We hope this routine helps to remove the barrier of lack of understanding and interpreting mathematical structure. If you give it a try, please share with us how it went.